I don't know, it's the famous.
You must not have internet. Oh, no, you
It got on my mommy.
My hairs are standing up. That's freaked me out.
Go outside with it. Let's go outside.
Alright, turn your head. Shut the door.
Karina, shut the door. Oh, we gotta move this.
I want to throw that away.
That off.
I don't know if that's good for us. No, it's
Okay,
not.
shut the door. He is, I can't really see him. Look at him that close.
Why?
Because he's going to go on the camera.
Yeah?
Don't go, let him go on the camera.
Sure.
I don't. Well, I can pick them up, I just don't want them jumping at me.
Okay, hold it.
Don't
Don't you dare fall off.
let him jump off. Don't let him jump off. Don't let him jump off. Ugh. Sorry, guys. He got off of his head, or his hand, whatever he went on. Get him. Just don't push.
That's been fun. Very much.
These are the most poisonous things.
No, they're not.
I know.
I was carrying them.
Where the wild things are, I don't know.
Hold this down a little bit.
If you guys have heard the book called Where the Wild Things Are, they're on Noah.
Not even show me.
There, he's right there. You can't really see him. Okay, let's go inside.
No, so yeah.
Can I come in?
You guys like this video? I'll see you later. No, swim out.